Kinder's Engineered OuterSeal Skirting is revolutionising the way industries tackle dust and spillage. With a suite of products like AirScrape and TailScrape, Kinder is setting the standard for operational efficiency and workplace safety. AirScrape's contact-free design and powerful suction keep dust contained and direct materials back to the belt's centre, slashing maintenance costs and enhancing productivity. TailScrape complements AirScrape, ensuring exceptional rear sealing. Its unique blade structure amplifies dust control and curtails material spillage without contacting the belt. K-Snap-Loc Dust Seal System snaps into place, offering a cost-effective and energy-efficient dust control solution that's compatible with all conveyor belt speeds. K-Fold and Seal's dual sealing capability combines material containment with dust control, extending wear life and reducing energy consumption. K-Super Skirt seals conveyor transfer points in any environment, boasting a wear life 10 times longer than rubber and significantly reducing dust leakage and spillage. K-Super Skirt Defender goes one step further with an enhanced design, featuring a thicker bottom base specifically engineered to prevent material buildup from settling and sticking, thereby minimizing the formation of skirt grooves, a leading contributor of belt damage. K Ultra Dual Seal's wear-resistant polyurethane inner layer and anti-dust outer layer ensures effective sealing with minimal maintenance. K Super Block's heavy-duty design and easy block replacement offer robust durability and a long wear life, suitable for all belt widths and profiles. K Hydra Belt Shield Skirting System minimizes skirt grooves on conveyor belts, preventing damage and reducing downtime for improved efficiency. Contact Kinder to learn more about our dust and spillage containment solutions that can enhance productivity, extend equipment life, and promote a cleaner, safer work environment.